friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session, we will try to learn about fundamental quantities. So what are fundamental quantities and why they are called as fundamental quantities, that and all we will try to discuss in this particular session. So let us quickly start with the session. So my request is to please watch the entire session so that you will not miss out any of the important updates. So what is this fundamental quantity? So fundamental quantity is nothing but a type of units. Okay, units are classified into two types of categories. So as I told you, it's like fundamental quantities and next is derived quantities. So fundamental quantities we are going to learn in this particular session. Okay, so fundamental quantities are independent of other units. Okay, or fundamental quantities are independent of other units. What does it mean? So that means any physical quantity, okay, it is not possible to express. So these whatever fundamental quantities are there, no, so these all I will be listing now. So these will not be able to, it is not possible to express in other physical quantity. That means they are independent of other units. So that means these are fundamental, these are the pillars of the units. Okay, so with this we can express other physical quantity. We can, that means these, from these fundamental quantities as a reference, we can derive other units. So that is the derived units, so that I will try to cover in the next session. Okay, so hence we can say that these are independent of other units. So how many are there? There are totally seven types of fundamental quantities, and those seven fundamental quantities I have listed here and with the SI units. Okay, so let us quickly go through each and everything. So length, it is measured in meters. So that is a SI unit is meters. Mass, kg, kilograms. Time in seconds. Temperature in Kelvin, not degrees Celsius. So usually there will be confusion sometimes. So we will think that degrees Celsius is the SI unit. No, let's say usually expressed in terms of Kelvin. So electric current, amps or amperes. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. Okay. So there is also a symbol which you can remember. Okay. So you can, amount of substance in mole. In most of the times in chemistry, this is used, mole concept. Okay. So meter is represented by small m, kilogram, kg. This is very familiar. Okay. So second means yes, and Kelvin is capital represented by capital K. Amperes is nothing but capital A, and by CD, mole is nothing but MOL. So this is all about the fundamental quantities. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If not subscribed, then press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications. Till then, thank you.